Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayomide. Yes, I'm introducing myself again. You might be wondering, oh, who is this? I was formerly known as Anna Space. However, I changed my name because everybody addressed me as Ayomide, and I want that to be my channel's name since that is my first name. So if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Ayomide. If you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY photo shoot. So this DIY photo shoot was inspired by my friend, and I'm going to be trying it out. So I'm going to be carrying you guys along, and you guys are going to follow me step by step. Let's see how we can achieve this. So first of all, I'm going to install my hair. I also need to do my makeup, and I'm going to do the DIY shoot and also edit the videos myself. This particular concept needs to be done at night, so that was why I waited this late to shoot this. So it's currently past 8. Let's get started already. So guys, I'm going to install my hair now, and I'm going to be back to the makeup as well. I'll show you when I'm done with the makeup as well. I'm going to try to film both hair and makeup, so that I'm going to upload it later and you guys are going to see. So I just want very subtle makeup. When you put your mind into something, that is when it flops, and I don't want it to flop. I'm going to show you guys every step, so you guys should sit back, relax, and watch till the end of this video. You can also do that DIY shoot by yourself. Don't waste your money again. I'll be back.
My makeup, this is what my makeup is giving. I am now at the lounge, so I'm going to be showing you guys the background, the lights, and everything I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be carrying you guys along. So I got this cupcake, candles as well, and a lighter. I've got 2 flowers. Found this in our lounge, and I was looking for a red flower, so I couldn't find. That was why I decided to opt in for this. But I think at this point I'll just use both, and I'll see which one comes out well, and that's the one I'll edit. So you guys should come along. I'm going to put on the light, and you guys will see what everything is giving. So it's currently to 11 now, and maybe by 12 I'll be done with this. I also got this black cardboard to attach to the lights, but they look small, so I'm going to join them together with a tape, and let's see what we can achieve with this. I'm going to be using this wall here because it's a white background.
So I'm going to be using this light because I just feel like it is the type of light that will be appropriate for this shoot. So this light is a type of light that focuses just on what you want to do. You cannot use this light to shoot a complete video. It's not going to be bright. It just focuses on a particular position. So I feel like since we are trying to achieve silhouette effects, this light can actually do the work. If you have a softbox, you can use it. If you don't have a softbox, you can use your camera phone by putting that tissue paper empty, I don't know how to explain, the tissue paper brown carton. You can use it here. So, and I'm going to be using this second tripod to film all the things I'll be doing. So this is me just attaching the cardboard together, and I am also trying to size it so that I can finish the sellotaping and all. So I've done it, but it's looking too big, so I'm just trying to make it small, in as much as I don't want the circle to be too small like the regular one. So this is me just checking if it's going to give me that silhouette effect, but I think it's too big, so I had to reduce it. So after reducing the circle, and this is me just test running it, to be honest, I don't want it to be really small. I want it to be giving that studio vibe. So we are going to be using Lens Body to take our pictures. So Lens Body is an app that helps you take your pictures. You can set it to 50, 2500, put voices. It's going to tell you when you are to the left, you are to the right, you are to the center. You don't need a remote. It tells you basically everything you need to do, and you can also make it talk to you while you are taking the picture, so that it's just going to elevate your mood. This is because there's no one to cheer you up while taking the picture. So Lens Body can do this for you, and your pictures will come out nice.
You are a unicorn. You are beautiful, smart, and bold.
So sometimes when you are overwhelmed, especially me, when I hear those sweet words, I try to smile, and it brings out a very beautiful picture. I don't know about you, but that is what Lens Body does to me. So for the picture editing, we are going to be using Lightroom. So you guys should know that you need to edit this picture to bring life to it. Without editing, you not really like the end result. So we use Lightroom. You just go to Lightroom, exposure, contrast, anything you want to do, just like the same settings on your iPhone. So it's going to make the pictures more beautiful and make it look like it's studio pictures. So this is the end result of the picture. What do you guys think after editing with Lightroom? Is it giving studio vibe? Is it something you are going to be trying? How would you rate this DIY shoot? Let me know in the comment section, guys. You guys should kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to share these videos to your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.